If you also want a solution to optimize your studying, here is the Oxford Flashbox. The Flashbox is a very effective solution for organizing, reviewing, and scanning your Oxford Flash 2.0 flashcards. Its practical and compact format allows you to store up to 500 flashcards. The Flashbox consists of several removable and adjustable dividers. You can choose to organize your flashcards by theme or implement the Lightner system. It's a method that puts into practice the spaced repetition principle. To apply it, all your flashcards are in the first compartment to start. Then, you take a flashcard from this compartment and question yourself on the concept. If you have the correct answer, the card moves up one slot. And if it's wrong, it stays in the first compartment or goes back there if it was already in another compartment. We start again. The goal is to have all your flashcards in the last compartment of your flashbox. As you might have guessed, the first box contains all the concepts you don't master and need to review regularly. And in the fifth box, those are the concepts you have mastered. Thanks to the Oxford Flashbox, you become more efficient in your revisions because instead of reviewing all your flashcards each time, you focus on the ones you know the least well. You can also scan all your flashcards to study wherever and whenever you want. Because yes, if you didn't know already, Oxford's Flash 2.0 flashcards are compatible with the free app Scribsy. It allows you to access all your flashcards wherever and whenever you want. This way, you can really study at every opportunity. It can also automatically generate personalized review sessions based on the Lightner method. Once your session is over, you can display your progress curve to visualize the progress you have made. Additionally, the lid of your Flashbox is specially designed to facilitate scanning your flashcards. How does it work? You place your stack of cards in the first compartment of the lid to scan the front. Then you flip this card into the second compartment to scan the back. Same with the following cards. Simple and effective for properly positioning your cards during the scan and alternating fronts and backs. We can only recommend Oxford's Flashbox, which is the ideal tool for effectively memorizing your flashcards.